Which one? No. 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 You're mine. I have no idea where my tripod's despawned to. Pop. They were too old for cord clips. Carpet. Here we go. This is cooked. So when I'm using it, I don't know if I can like make this sound normal, but it smells like a hospital. I don't know if like, I don't know, or maybe like alcohol or something, but no, it smells like if you walk into like a hospital, they all have like this smell. That's what it smells like. But yeah, that's a weird way to describe it. But yeah, I mean, it works great. I'm getting a Hoover convertible from the 50s tomorrow for 40 bucks. So, yeah. Yeah, so that's nothing with the motor, it's just how the brush is. And I can't seem to find, see, like, this cord is so old. But yeah, I just think that I'll show y'all how it runs. I don't even know, because this will probably go on my YouTube. Yeah. But yeah, so taking you back to your spot. Since I didn't really have a spot, I moved the Electrolux Prolux to right here, and I just got the paint marks off the side. But yep, here's the Electrolux Prolux, the G7, all my Oryx, Kirby's, everything. My parts Kirby. That Bissell, Hoover fold away, just all that. Navigator power head. But yeah, if you enjoyed this video, subscribe.